Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can apply a visa to travel to Sweden, a tourist visa to travel to Sweden, which is also called like a short stay visa type C, because Sweden is part of Schengen countries. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant, nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Embassy of Sweden website in New Delhi. And here they have given a section about apply for a visa. Okay. So this they have outsourced to VFS Global. We'll go through that. Okay. So, but before we go, we'll see the checklist and forms. Okay. So we'll see checklist for tourist visas. Okay. Application, we attach one photograph. Okay. Copy of passport. Okay. Previous passport available. Okay. Proof of accommodation, booking, proof of booking, marriage certificate if in case of family, of course, and child, and birth certificate for children if applicable. Itinerary, your flight tickets, medical insurance, at least 30,000 euros. Evidence of professional activity, like if you are employed, then pay slip for last 3 months, employment contract, statement, student and letter in enrollment, self-employed, then PAN with bank statement 3 months. If you're a retiree, then pension statement, proof of financial means, bank statement, income tax declaration. If somebody is sponsoring you, that information and proof need to be provided. Consent is for minor. Okay. So this is for VFS guys, and this is gonna be for our applicant name, your signature. This is for VFS. Okay, date. So this you'll submitting along with them. Fine. Okay. And this is the form. Okay. It's free. This side is for official use, so don't worry about it. Surname at birth, so former family name, but that's not apply to all the cases. First name, date of birth, place of birth, country, nationality, nationality at birth if different, other nationalities. Well, India does not allow dual nationality, so if you are an Indian, this is not gonna work. Gender, civil status, parental authority in case of minor. Okay. National identity number if you have, definitely. Travel documents, so for most of us, it's gonna be ordinary passport. Passport number, date of issue, expiry date, issued by country. So every detail you enter here, make sure you check it at least 2 times, not just once, 2 times. If you have a family member who is EU, EEA or Switzerland citizen or UK national, then provide the details. Similarly, with beneficiary of withdrawal agreement, provide the detail. Your home address and email address, phone number. If you live in a country other than the country of current nationality, then provide, like if you're staying in India as a citizen of other country, like on work permit or something, you have to provide that information. Current occupation, your purpose, employer, information you need to provide. If you're a student, provide your institution details. Additional information, purpose of stay, provide more details. Member state of main destination and first entry, these two are very important. How many entries? If you have previously got your biometrics for Schengen visa, that you need to provide. If you're staying in a hotel, provide the hotel details here. And if you're going to visit someone, provide their details here. Of course, if you have already booked, you have phone number and email address. If you have been invited by a company or organization, provide their details. Cost, who is going to be doing paying? If you're by yourself, then click this. If some sponsor, then provide that information here. And what are the things you're going to carry? Transport, how you're going to do. Anyway, this you have already done. If someone else is filling this information, then to provide this information. And then place and date, signature. Okay. Now we'll go on VFS site and see how things work over there. Okay, so I'll just go back. Okay, so it's gonna be like apply for a visa step by step. So first we'll identify the visa type, begin application where we all have already gone through checklist and form, then book an appointment VFS, pay your fee, visit, submit, and if granted, you are all good to go. So we'll start with this first option here. I select Schengen visa fee, it's 90 euro. For children, it's less. Is to be paid in cash or by debit credit. Okay. Service fee they have included. Additional charges they have also included if you want to go for it. So like service fee we always be there, but additional services it's up to you if you wanna do. Documents. The checklist we have already gone. Okay. Photo specification. It's given here, and you can take it to any good photographer and they'll be able to do it. Processing time 15 calendar days, but yeah, in some cases it could be more. In some cases they may even ask for additional documents or even call you for an interview if they really feel like. It varies person to person, case by case. This we did already. Medical travel insurance also they have included a form. Okay, this also you need to provide. And of course that's part of the checklist too that you have to do. So that's it guys. That is how it works guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.